Hey everyone, Av here again. I have huge news to share. Reactiv 2.0 is almost done. We have a major overhaul coming. So we've listened to almost 2,000 users over the last little while who've logged in excess of 50,000 hours of reactive time, and we learned tons of information how to improve this product. Let me break it down for you. So when you break down type of meetings, they range from super simple meetings that we have every day to some very complex interactions. So let's look at that. On the simple side, you have a single file meetings, which are like town halls, board meetings, product pitches, and they're 100% linear and very structured. So you're not really jumping back and forth between different concepts. Now, in the middle of that stack, you've got these more complex meetings like a discovery call or a solutions or an architecture call where you might have to jump between 2 or 3 different files. And I'm going to say this is about 50% linear. And on the bottom, you've got these complex strategy sessions where really they are completely unstructured. So there is no way you can predict what's going to go on. Now, traditionally, Reactiv has been awesome at these type of meetings. But we figured out how to make any meeting fantastic, interactive, and engaging with just a couple of clicks. With a couple of clicks, you can transform your meetings. Reactiv is now faster, it's easier to use, and it dramatically enhances your executive presence to the next level. So stay tuned, and I will go ahead and share more details within the next week or two. It is just a couple of weeks away. Dying to show it off. Thanks again for all of your support.